Well, this escalated quickly. I have a load Monday. I need to get. So I was like, well, I'll just fire up Bob and load him. Bob found a soft spot. Bob is sunken to the weight on the back. Steering's in the rocks. Yeah. Well, Bob's out. Hope you guys like that little mess up I did. Seems like I've been getting a lot of them lately, so maybe I'll get some more. So, that's the ruts Bob was in. Might not look it on camera, That's where the weight was sitting. And they're almost up to my knee. So yeah, Bob was stuck pretty good. I gotta get the brakes working. I don't know, I can't find anything on these brakes. I'm having a hard time figuring them out. But I have to have brakes unloaded. I can't unload them without brakes. So I've been struggling with that. I gotta get some penetrating oil because the rod's frozen up on the brakes is probably the first thing I need to fix. So yeah, Bob is planning to, after the 8N is done, which it's getting close now, I was planning on bringing it in and redoing and getting everything working right, but unfortunately, because I need to get this crap off my truck somehow, that is becoming a necessary evil this weekend. So I guess this weekend I am working on that. This is a different video, but something kind of fun to watch. Hope you guys like. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I really could use all of that I can get. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.